Have you ever tried sending a photo on Snapchat, but the app couldn't access your camera roll? Don't worry, the fix is quick and easy. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to allow photo and camera roll access to Snapchat, so you can upload pictures and videos without any issues. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps if your device has that option. Scroll down and find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat. Now tap on Permission depending on your device. Scroll down. Click on Photo and Device. Now choose the options you want. For me, always allow all. After that, go back and make sure that the permission is enabled. Open Snapchat again. Tap the Gallery or Memory section and try selecting a photo from your camera roll. Now here we are. If it still doesn't work, close Snapchat completely and reopen it. Restart your phone. Update Snapchat from the App Store or Google Play Store. Check that your phone has enough storage available. That is it. Once photo access is enabled, Snapchat will be able to read images and videos from your camera roll, allowing you to upload, send, and post them without any permission errors. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to check your permissions anytime Snapchat can't access your photos. It's usually the quickest fix. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.